Hey everyone, welcome to a wonderful Williamstown 2023. Guys, where's everyone? Oh yeah, this is Seaworks, not Williamstown. Welcome to Speedcubing at Seaworks. Williamstown.
My town.
Williamstown. We're exploring outside, and as you can see, we're near the sea.
They probably can't hear you.
As you can see, we're near the sea at Seaworks. Wait, what? Oh, there. Seaworks. Alright, let's play a game called Spot the Melbourne Monuments. Is that the right word? Are we even allowed in here?
Where is Melbourne? I can't see.
Melbourne is that way. Okay, there. That's the Melbourne Star, which is no longer in use. Somewhere. Where's the Eureka Tower?
There.
Somewhere. This kid stole my spot. This guy. That was very, very tiring scrambling. I'm in the next group.
Story of my life. Corbyn.
Those scrambles weren't great, so I got like a 12 average, which is about 3 seconds worse than PR. And that's actually oh, it's nice and windy out here after being in that sauna.
That's the red herring.
Oh.
This message.
Slash orange herring.
Yeah, it's not bad actually.
Burger review. Give an honest review. We don't want to know that.
Okay. It's not bad, but I think the cheese,
Yeah, it's not melted.
it's not melted enough, but everything else is perfect.
But all the tables have been. So we're going outside again.
Hey guys, welcome to Oceanics 2023. This is Cubing on the grid.
Indeed. Remember that time I podiumed with a 13 average? It was with this cube, and it's not mine, it's his.
There. What the?
Is it good?
It smells so different, so much better.
You're welcome.
Thank you, JJ Pure.
Now I have to buy another one. These kids are doing that thing from Ninja Warrior, except the wall's not warped, it's a straight wall. Oh, yeah. I think this kid is good. Oh my goodness. Guys, it's lunch break. What did you say was here? A turtle or something?
Turtle.
Where? Oh.
And a
Yeah,
dolphin.
I guess.
And a real life snail. Oh, you're in this like an ant nest. But you're like standing on. And it goes all the way around.
Alright, Miller, you know Yi Hang Wang was meant to come to this comp?
Yeah.
Why do you think he unregistered?
Because Phoenix was gonna beat him in 2x2.
Oh.
Yeah.
I mean, he does have a better official average. 5.01. Time for the event of the Pocket Cube. Yes, PLC. Let's go.
Give me the numbers, give me the numbers.
I don't know.
That's 216.
I got to sign it.
195.
Let's go! Sub 2.
Wait, what was it?
Come on, lad.
Yay, I got sub 2. Could have been much better, but who cares? Now, this kid is going to compete.
Because Phoenix was gonna beat him in 2x2.
Because Phoenix was gonna beat him in 2x2.
Seconds.
Yeah, mate.
Come here, sign. Sign. This man here is now second in the world for pocket cube.
You know something I just realized? I still don't have a pure sub 2 average.
That was a big one. Oh my god, no, I can't. Did the bad solution.
This one's gonna be sub 2.
Yep. I'm ready. No! Plus 2 out of the PR single. Bro just put sanitizer in his splinters. What were you thinking? What this was meant to be is so you're at Seaworks, but the problem is it's way too hot and you need to fill up your water bottle. Well, me and Miller are gonna show you how to do it. Oh, dandelion thingies. What'd you do? Alright, come on. Yeah, you got one. Alright, now you got a wish. Now the thing about wishes is that if you say them, they won't come true. So, my wish is, I hope I don't get a PR average in Scube. Well, I should have bought my tornado. We are at the park, some couple 100 meters away. Oh my god. Which is better, that or scootering? This is parkour with Miller Atkinson, I guess. Oh my god. There is the water tap. Now that I think about it, I probably should have just walked straight on, but whatever. We do things the hard way here at JG Cuba.
Is it working?
Before it was working. Okay, it's overflowing.
Oh no. Why is my arm turning white?
Don't you want it to turn white and not red?
No, because look, it's like... What's the Nike tip?
Wait, show that. We'll get a comparison. Spot the difference. I bet you can't tell which one's the real Nike. Comment down below. Do you say Nike or Nike? Oh, Nikki. Run. No, run and scare all the seagulls. Don't jump in, please. No, don't do that. Don't do that. It's an even worse jump than Phoenix. Oh yeah, there's a bunch of rocks. Weird stuff on them. No, don't. No. Please, stop.
Oh, this hurts more.
Stop. What is he doing? Come on, you got this. You got this. Is it still hurting?
I need more.
No, okay, I'm not filming it now. We got the cool change, people.
So much better out here than it was earlier.
I hope I don't get copyrighted for this. Oh god. Just scrambled Scube. We are literally in the twilight zone of this competition. Well, sorry, I'm in the first day. Last group of the day. I'm using Phoenix. What the hell? I'm using Phoenix's Scube because my wingy broke. There you go, 377.
Yeah.
Alright, that's day one done and dusted. We are all tired as heck.
Yo. Watch this, ready?
We're getting the hell out of here and see you on day two. We've been letting people. Quick, get the tables. This one. PR to start the day off, quite nice, sub 50. What are you doing? A sign got put on there. I wonder why.
Nice.
Bro, this kid knocked me out of the 3x3 finals by 0.01.
Ow.
I got revenge. Guess what? My times got put in wrong, so I am in 3x3 finals. Now it's skewed. Amazing. Let's go.
Skew time, boys. Good luck.
That is another sub 5 average with my monkey lucky charm. So that should be. That's a kookaburra. That was so loud. Next is triangle cube.
It's not PR, but that's fine.
Let's go. Yay, I think I got a 369 average, although the judge wrote the third time a little dodgy, so it might be like a 370 something, but that's still good. Okay.
David! Hey, chill.
Brought a scooter. We could see his.
Oh yeah. What is going on? What is going on? Oh, he's got it. Guys, it's almost 2 o'clock. Wine starts at 2. Actually, what? Actually, why?
We don't know.
Sorry, I should be pointing at him. You're competing, right?
Yeah.
In the first group, also in 10 minutes. Drinking a Blue Heaven milkshake. Is it good?
This is really good.
What does it taste like?
Blue Heaven.
Oh, he's filming also.
Guys, mine starts in 5 minutes. And I can't wait to
Bro, your phone is so much better than mine. We made it with like 3 minutes to spare.
Hair on the left.
Yeah, so.
Yeah.
How about me and Finn? Bro, me and Riley get like sub 20. Oh, no, that's our phone. Yeah, oh my god, no. You two. How about you call?
Soon. F sexy F prime. Then U prime F perm U2. Oh yeah.
And everyone please clear the tables.
As all the blinders would say, I tripled that.
Screw it, we're still for yourself.
Okay, we're doing redux now. I didn't know that many people want to go for cucumbers.
I don't know this many people want to
I'm
know.
filming Phoenix. Yeah, that's the competition. It was pretty good. Got a few good results. Finals was alright. And yeah, that's it. See you next time.